Hey, what's happening, guys? Elton here, aka Retro Old School. Well, I literally just finished this a few minutes ago. I'm very happy about it. The timing couldn't be more freaking perfect. It is a freaking gorgeous day. Look, it's actually a blue sky today. For freaking change of pace here in my alleyway, I'm squatting down on the ground to film this. Try not to get my shadow in the shot of this. One of the most beautiful models I've ever built of this Revell 59 Impala Sport Coupe with that dark green and light green and combination, which is not a coincidence in case you didn't see the other parts there, but it was basically replicating a movie car. These were not the original factory colors, but it looks amazing. Definitely looks like it would have been more of a woman's car or the wife's choice in colors. And somebody's creeping up behind me, I think. Or maybe not, I don't know. Anyway, so what else? What was I saying now? Boy, I'm easily distracted. Anyway, so to recap, that light green, I got that paint from Canadian Tire. The light green is actually a hobby spray paint, which is thinner when it sprays. And oh, just perfect lighting. I mean, you know, I can't complain. It's just a great day so far, and it's like not even noon. I actually feel great for a change though too. I've been taking it slow, and I don't feel sick from the pericarditis, and I'm very, I feel, as we say in French, je pète le feu, which feels like I'm on fire. You know, I got bursting with energy. And of course, because it's a beautiful day, because it's been cloudy so goddamn much. It's just that time of year. It's almost always cloudy, and it's depressing. It drains your energy, and blah 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 blah. And I'll show you that 348. The hood comes with hinges, but I find that doesn't do anything anyway. It doesn't keep it in place. Oh, actually, before I take that off, you know, I think there's only one real complaint I could say about this model since I built it in the 90s, like 25 years ago or less, is you can see how the hood doesn't really close properly with the rest of the front. It's a very bad flaw, you know. I mean, I didn't. It's not like I did anything wrong here with it. I know it's the second time I built it. Nice details though, eh? Really, with everything is correct. The wipers I added on. The door handles just now, one of them already popped off. I had to look for one of them, and not something I would have chose to do really, because it's just the leaves rustling there. I thought it was somebody nearby, but yeah, the separate door handles. I mean, I get the amount of detail. This is not a skill level 1 or 2 car. This is really like, you know, you've got skills, experience in building model kits, and the detail's phenomenal. But again, the separate door handles, I know I'm gonna fucking lose those. So every time I go to pick this model up, I'm gonna have to make a mental note to remember to be careful of manhandling this thing, or God, it's not comfortable. Anyway, or like I said, I'm gonna lose those door handles. So, but I'm gonna try my best to make a mental note not to mishandle this model, because again, I don't want to lose those parts. You know, I built a lot of models over the years and I've lost a lot of parts, so, you know, you can't beat outside lighting. You can't beat the natural light, the sunlight. It's not, inside it's dark. It doesn't matter. Even in my office, I got 4 lights on in there, and it's like, as we say in French, c'est de la merde. It's just, I guess, adequate, you know. Interior looks good. I'm trying to think of anything I forgot to mention about having done this. Again, this came with the skirts, the dual antennas, the Continental kit. I don't want to put any of that stuff on. I didn't even want to put the bumper like the first time on the first model I made with the bumper guard on top, because I wanted this to be really like stock out of the showroom floor looking, you know, or out of the dealer, not dealer accessorized or aftermarket parts, as I just mentioned, you know. I'll just put her looker under here. Very nice and clean. Painting is not perfect. I'm going to have to work on the painting. I'd like to really make a shiny paint job. Looks good. So that's about it, man. I just want to make sure that I got all my angles covered here as I'm laying here in the fucking weeds here. I'm laying down here like I'm in Vietnam waiting for frickin' what are they called again there? Not the Vietnamese, the Ho Chi Minh. That's it. Ho Chi Minh. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Fantastic. Fantastic. Yeah, man. Give you a closer shot of the interior. Steering wheel, I should have put a second coat of paint. That was a kind of a no-no on my part. That's but a lot of that chrome is just, man, it takes so long to make all that, to do the foil on that. It's really, you do a muscle car, it's like a piece of cake, you know. Oh yeah, I want to give you a shot also what it looks like in the sun, in the shade, I mean. Well, about an hour and a half later, back inside my place here, and yeah, I guess the meteorologists were kind of right. They said partly cloud, or they said mostly cloudy today, but it was just absolutely sunny this morning, just full sun for hours, and that's why I filmed at Chevy when I did, because I knew it was going to snow tomorrow, and rain or snow tomorrow or both, and Monday doesn't look better, so I'm like, okay, when am I going to see the sun again? You know, I better, you know, make a video as soon as I finish it. That's why I kind of rushed to finish that Chevy. Anyway, I will now show you it's going to be my next project. I don't know when I'm going to start it, really. It's right there, and it's kind of a hassle for me to take her down. Oh, yeah, there it is, man. I had mentioned this, I think, a few times recently that I wanted to work on it. Look at the size of this thing. Look at it on my chair here. This thing cost me $70. It's the most expensive model kit I've ever bought, and it's just mind-boggling. You know, when I got it, I opened up, I looked through everything real quick. I looked through all the parts and everything, but then I opened it up again. I really looked through it. I cannot believe. I'm going to show you. I cannot freaking believe the amount of parts that go with this thing. It's just trees after trees after trees of parts. I mean, look at this. Look at this. The Chevy's nothing compared to this. Look at that. Incroyable. So that'll keep me busy, I think, for probably a couple months. Like I was telling Ben the other day, I said I think that'll keep me busy well after the New Year. Today being what, the 21st of November. He said I had it up down there. There's all this dust. I've had it up there ever since I bought it. I bought this thing like what, a year ago, 2 years ago? I don't even remember. Anyway, so stay tuned for that. And again, thanks for watching. Very happy about that Chevrolet, which now sits on my window. Not the best place, but I'll figure something out. Okay, guys, thanks. Bye.